Hey, it's me, Marie, and today we want to talk about the housework. What is she doing? What about him?
On Saturn, with the Magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Do the dishes. Doing the dishes. Vacuum. Vacuuming. Do the ironing. Doing the ironing. Cook. Cooking. Clean the windows. Cleaning the windows. Mop. Mopping. Water the plants. Watering the plants. Sweep. Sweeping. He is cooking. She is doing the dishes. He is vacuuming. She is mopping the floor. He is doing the ironing. She is watering the plants. He is cleaning the windows. She is sweeping.
Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect.
Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.